You're also welcome, right, to the Champions Quiz competition.
My name is James.
Okay, you're also welcome. Wow, you are welcome. The third person. You are also welcome. You are also welcome. And already, yes, you can Champions are Jubilee FM 106.9 megahertz. We will say good afternoon, our lovely listeners, especially parents, caregivers, teachers, and the champion kids. We welcome you once again to this edition of the Educator Show, the Champions are on Jubilee FM 106.9 megahertz. My name is Seth Kolofi, your regular host for this Champions program. With me today are my team members who are coming to support me. In fact, they have been supporting me. We have strong theme. So the first person is Madam Vivian Kuduto, who is a champion team member. She's also in charge of the Basic 1. So she's the Basic 1 coordinator at the Angloga Education Directorate. Then we have another colleague friend and a team member. He is Mr. Julius Amenyo. Julius Amenyo is ICT teacher at Jalukopa E.P Champion. The another strong team member is our own PRO, friend, and of course, a strong team member. He is in this and every Sunday from 2 o'clock p.m. to 3:30 p.m. The Champions Quiz competition is organized by the Education Directorate of the Anglo Kingdom. That's Keta Municipality and Angloga Districts in partnership with the Key to Happy Life Consults, a community-based, non-profit making educational and counseling consultancy, and Jubilee F1. And you have 10 seconds for every question. You have 10 seconds for every question. Of course, you are aware of all the rules before even coming to this place. So we are not going to retreat or repeat most of the rules here. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the quiz competition, so let the best team win. So the first contestants, represented at the 10DA, you are to spell the word country. My country is Ghana. Country. Correct for 3 points. All of us, let's show appreciation to them. Presenting at the 10DA, you are to spell the word paragraph. The first paragraph is clear. Paragraph. I'm sorry, that is not correct. So it just, I said the English one, we don't have bonus. So it has P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H, paragraph. Right, kpota. The seconds. All right, we are giving you 10 seconds. The senior team, we used to give them 15 seconds for the spelling bee. But we want to train you to be very smart, okay? So we are giving you 10 seconds. So kpota, the first contestant, you have to spell the word attention. Attention has been drawn to the fact that you came to school very early.
Attention. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N.
Correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. The second contestant, you are to spell the word continent. Africa is one of the continents. Continents. The continent of Africa.
C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T.
Correct for 3 points. oxygen. Oxygen. He needs oxygen to breathe. Oxygen. Correct for 3 points. The second contestant, you have to spell the word teaspoon. Teaspoon. Take 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Teaspoon. T-E-A-S-P-O-O-N. Teaspoon.
Correct for 3 points. Wonderful. What a wonderful answer. Wonderful.
Wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L.
Correct for 3 points. The second contestant for Abete, representing Abete, you have to spell the word yesterday. Yesterday, we were at school.
Yesterday. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday.
Correct for 3 points. But as I told you, this one is independent work, so I'm not expecting any team member to be, okay, yes, do it like this. No. Let the best representing the kpota, you have to spell the word understood. He understood the question.
Understood. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D. Understood.
Correct for 3 points. The second contestant representing the kpota E.P, you have to spell the word variety. 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 The variety of the variety. I don't know. Yeah, variety. Variety. Okay, you go ahead.
V-A-R-I-A-T-Y.
I'm sorry, that is not variety. Variety is V-A-R-I-E-T-Y. Variety. Right. While leaving my RC, your question, the first participant, your question. You have to spell the word triangle. Draw a triangle. I told you not to communicate. Do independent work.
Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L. Triangle.
Triangle is correct for 3 points. Amusement. Amusement.
Amusement. A-N-U-N-S-M-E-N-T.
Come again.
A-N-U-N-S-M-E-N-T. Amusement.
No, please. It is A-M-U-S-E-M-E-N-T. Amusement. It's the word class is a noun. Right. But of course, I'm not supposed to be telling you what use it in these things. What kind of right? So we'll move to the next level of the questions. That is the grammar usage. And the preamble goes to all of you, so I'm not going to repeat the preamble. I want you to listen to the preamble carefully. Mention the demonstrative adjectives from the sentence. I repeat the preamble. Mention the demonstrative adjectives from the sentences. Alright. Adverb DA. Those girls are always happy in class. This time is a teamwork, so you can collaborate. Those girls are always happy in class. So you have to mention the demonstrative adjective in the sentence. I'm sorry, it is not happy. So this is the time, if you know it, ring the bell. Yeah, kpota E.P. Those is correct for 1 mark. Those is correct for 1 mark. Now kpota, your question for 3 points. Give me that white plate. Give me that white plate. That is correct for 3 points. That is correct for 3 points. Molybdenum RC, upper primary. As for this time around, I won't fail you. This is correct for 3 points. I have another preamble for all of you. So listen to the preamble carefully and answer the questions. Right, mention the collective nouns from the following sentences. I'm giving you sentences. You are just to identify the collective nouns in the sentences. Right, I've attended here basic. A heap of rubbish was deposited in front of the building. A heap of rubbish was deposited in the front of the building. Heap is correct for 3 points. Like kpota E.P. She owns 1 million head of cattle. He owns 1 million head of cattle. Head is correct for 3 points. Head is correct for 3 points. Of rioters, a mob of rioters destroyed the school. Mob is correct for 3 points. Mob is correct for 3 points. Ladies and gentlemen, they are doing well. Let's
Our third DA basic school scored 18 points. Molima RC Basic scored 21 points. And kpota E.P scored 22 points.
right. Don't give up. kpota, you are the first to answer question here. Right. So kpota, how long does it take the Earth to complete 1 rotation cycle? How long does it take the Earth to complete 1 rotation cycle? I'm sorry, that is not correct. No signal means. Okay, ring the bell. Well, yeah, no, you have rang it first, so yeah. I'm sorry, that is not correct. You still want to? Okay.
335.
I'm sorry, that is also not correct. It's only 24 hours. 24 hours. Molybdenum RC, your question is, the Earth is in what shape? The Earth is in what shape? A round shape.
Green.
Yeah? I don't know if I should accept that theory. Right? So we accept that. Alright, good question. To move around the sun. 366 days. Alright, I will give it to you now. Yes?
365
Correct for 1 mark. I was looking if they couldn't get it, so maybe I could give you something. That was why. But they have given us the exact answer. kpota E.P. Water droplets come together to form in the sky. Water droplets come together to form dash in the sky.
Precipitation.
I'm sorry, I will not accept precipitation. When you ring the bell, allow me to mention you. Water falls back to the earth as rain, snow, hail, or sleet. The process is called
Precipitation.
correct for 3-4. Adverted DA. Adverted DA. Water cycle is also known as water cycle is also known as alright, thank you, Kota. You rang the bell first.
Hydrological cycle.
Correct for 1 mark. Hydrological cycle is correct for 1 mark. Right. Now, then we put your major question for 3 points. Which of the planets is called blue planet? Which of the planet is called blue planet? I'm sorry, it is not certain. Yeah? It is not Uranus. The correct answer is F. The correct answer is F. Correct answer is F. Right. Your major question for 3 points. A group of stars that form a beautiful pattern is known as what?
Galaxy.
I am not going to accept galaxy here. A group of stars. The correct answer is, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce it well, constellation. 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 Now, Adverted is the collection of billions of stars, gases, and dusts. Is the collection of billions of stars, gases, and dusts. Dash is the dot dots is the collection of billions of stars, gases, and dusts. Now, never now, Bohat. Okay. All right. I want to dispense to you. Write your answers down. You have you also rang the bell? Right? Are you giving up or you are still standing by? You still want to answer? Alright. So write your answers. You have rang the bell first, but you did it when they did not finish answering their question. Nano Ganeji now have yoga. Right. So Adverted, no, Kota, you are answering the first question. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower is known as what?
Pollination.
Correct for 3 points. Look up Molivin RC. The process when the pollen fuses with the ovum to form a zygote or seed is termed what? The process when the pollen fuses with the ovum to form a zygote or seed is known as. All right. Adverted your question. The green RC liquid mixture can be separated True or false?
False.
I'm sorry. The answer is true. Liquid mixture can be separated, right? Number 10. Sugar in water is liquid mixture. True or false? False is correct. My contestants are doing well. They have shown that they have mastered what they're supposed to do. We want to tell the listeners out there, especially those in the senior high and the junior high schools, that the thing that the learners are, the question that they are answering here is the same questions that they have.
Scored 2 points, cumulatively 23 points. Abata DA Basic scored 5 points, cumulatively 23 points. And kpota scored 8 points, cumulatively 30 points.
Wow. It means the kpota E.P is still leading. But don't give up, okay? Until the bones are rotting, you can catch up with them and beat them, right? Abete, don't give up at all. Catch up with them and beat them, okay? Then kpota, don't allow them to close the gap. Give them more gap, okay? Right, we have come to the third round, which is the mathematics round. So, we have simple addition for all of you. And this time we are starting from Molybdenum RC. Simple addition problem. So, Molybdenum, your question is 297. 297. We are giving you 20 seconds. You know, the JJs, we used to give them 30 seconds. But we are giving you 20 seconds. So, I repeat the problem. 297 plus 276. 297 plus 276.
We scored to 5,772.
573 is correct. 284. 284 plus 247. 247. Correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. Thank you, Kota. Your problem is 278 plus 274. 278 plus 274.
550.
Correct for 3 points. So, all of you. 75 times 8. What is 75 times 8? Spelled out. Okay, put down for a bonus.
600.
600 is correct for 1 mark. Bell out. Did you also ring your bell? Write your answers down. Who has written 996? I'm sorry, that is not correct. So it means you are getting minus half for that, minus 1 for that. Thank you, what you wrote. What did you write?
580.
Correct for 1 mark. For 3 points. Your major question for 3 points. What is 69 times 87 times 8? What is 69 times 8? 552 is correct for 3 points. Mali female, you want me to question for 3 points. I want all of you to listen. It's the same, you're all in the same skill. Mixing something. Something is in the box. So mention, so we have 635 minus a box is equal to 268. What is in the box? 635 minus a box is equal to 268. What is in the box? Yeah? 267. 367 is correct for 3 points. 154 minus a box is equal to 265. 554 minus a box is equal to 265. What is in the box? I'm sorry, that is not correct. All right, Molly Bima. I'm sorry, it is not 279. It is not 279. Oh, will you check it for me? My answer is 289.
That's correct.
Okay. So you nearly got it. It's 289, not 79. Right. 612 minus a box is equal to 356. Is equal to 356. What is in the box? Wow, 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 wow. Correct for 3 points. You have the same division challenge to solve. So, Molly Bimmer, you have to divide 84 by 6. 84 divided by 6. That out, okay. 14 is correct for 1 mark. Right. Abete, your question. Divide 96 by 8. Divide 96 by 8. Wow. I don't know. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. So write down your answers. That in the final we'll be using bell, so we can do the. Wow. So tell us your answer.
Our answer is 2.
Tell us your answer. Correct. So I'm giving you 1, 1, 1, 1. Divide 91 by 7. Divide 91 by 7. Wow. 13 is correct. I bet you. I am mathematician. Can we call them Archimedes? Wow. Wow, wow. Let's show appreciation. Let's show appreciation. They are doing well. They are doing well. They are doing well. 13 is correct. Now we have one question, and this is normal something word problem. So maybe you would have to determine what kind of word problem is it. But of course, the lookup I'm starting from you, alright? So the lookup RC. This is your problem. Listen to your problem carefully and give us the correct answer. A car factory manufactures 75 cars in each month. How many cars will be manufactured in the factory in 1 year? I give you the problem again. A car factory manufactures 75 cars each month. How many cars will be manufactured in the factory in 1 year? Okay, you got it correct. Simple. 1 year is what? Wow. So, I'm giving you your problem is the National Library has 83 bookshelves. In each shelf, there are 13 books. What is the total number of books in the library? The National Library has 83 bookshelves. In each shelf, there are 13 books. What is the total number of books in the library? Yeah? Avatar? 1,059 is not correct. Wow. Take a put that for a bonus.
1,079.
Correct for 1 mark. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that's great. So, your major question for 3 points, take a pota. Our heart beats about 17 times in a minute. How many times will it beat in 1 hour? Our heart beats about 17 times in a minute. How many times will it beat in an hour? Come again.
427.
I'm sorry, it is not 427. Okay, you want to try Avatar?
77.
I'm sorry, it is not 77. Right. The correct answer is 1,020. 1,020. So you must know. If you don't know the number, how many minutes make an hour, you will struggle. If you know that 60 and this thing make an hour, then it will be very simple for you to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the mathematics round. Wow, wow, wow. Afternoon has been very, very spectacular. Let's show appreciation to them. Wow, wow, wow. The mathematics round has been a very good one for them. They have proven that, wow, this is all female stars. All female stars can do and do the mathematics well. So who tells you that ladies cannot do well in mathematics? Who tells you that ladies cannot calculate mathematics? This is an evidence that ladies can perform. They can do well in the mathematics as well. Wow, 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 wow. In fact, I'm proud of you. I mean, your mathematics teacher or your teacher should be proud of you. You have exhibited a potential that is beyond every mind. I don't know. you have shown that the JICA method, you have taken it seriously. Most of all these questions are just picked from the JICA material that you have been provided. Ladies and gentlemen, those who have taken
who scored 2 points, cumulatively 25 points.
Clap for them. Clap for them.
Original RP scored 5 points, cumulatively 28 points. That scored 18 points.
Bring it onto the table. Look at your contribution to the team. Right. I'm a grantor. Young just you one young. You bonala. Kanikata. Never preamble. Go to Yanyama. Your number just you one young. Siu bonala nyala bona alebe amegbanto ne abete wonyai ne chilepe akpaya botolu jeshi le na mare to gna ta ho botolu jeshi makwena so abete DA onyaye suku fokpa makwena just that kpota onyaye do manyo wowo makwene